The Herbal Historian, come and see. Herbs and history in harmony.
Before it became a sugary treat around a campfire, it was a sacred healer, cherished by pharaohs and monks alike. This is Marshmallow, Althea officinalis, a humble marshland plant with a storied past. The genus name Althea means to heal in Greek. Evidence shows marshmallow was prized in ancient Egypt, circa 2000 BCE. Hippocrates and Dioscorides mentioned it in 400 to 100 BCE. Pliny the Elder wrote about it in 77 CE. Monastic healers cultivated it through the Middle Ages and in 19th century. One of the wetland's gentle giants, marshmallow grows up to 1.5 meters tall. Its leaves, velvety, heart-shaped and soft to the touch. The flowers, delicate pale pink lilac, climbing the tall stem, while the thick fleshy root is loaded with mucilage, the plant's healing essence. Boiled in honey in ancient Egypt to soothe throats, in medieval kitchens used as a soup thickener. By the 1800s, French confectioners whipped its mucilage into a predecessor of our marshmallows, a dessert born from medicine. Traditionally used for sore throats, respiratory coughs and digestive inflammation, plus soothing urinary tract irritation and minor skin wounds. A versatile healer, taken as tea, syrup, poultice, or infusion.
What we're seeing is conformation in the lab. The polysaccharides in marshmallow root form a thick, soothing mucilage that coats and calms irritated mucous membranes. In fact, a 2015 clinical trial published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showed that marshmallow root extract significantly reduced dry cough severity and throat irritation.
Root harvest. In late autumn when the plant dies back. Loosen soil, gently pull the root, wash off soil, cut into 2 centimeter slices. Ready for drying. Dry in a dehydrator or shaded breezy area until crispy. Store in airtight glass jars to preserve mucilage and potency. Ideal for teas, salves and tinctures. Generally very safe, but mucilage can slow absorption of other medicines. Wait 1 to 2 hours between doses. If pregnant, breastfeeding, or on prescription meds, consult a healthcare provider. Cold steep marshmallow tea. 1 tablespoon dried root in cold water. Refrigerate 8 to 12 hours. Strain, sip for cough, digestion. Skin soothing. Poultice. Mash 1 tablespoon root powder with warm water. Apply to bites, mild burns, irritation. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. From whispering marshlands to sweet campfire treats, Marshmallow shows how deeply nature weaves into our culinary and healing traditions. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to the Herbal Historian and let's uncover more botanical secrets of civilization together.
From ancient roots to modern day, nature's secrets light the way. Healing herbs, their stories unfold, timeless wisdom